I am Smokeman and today I'm gonna present you the new version of xiaomi.eu. As you see, the fingerprint, it's still fast. It's 910 24. Okay. Still, it's MIUI 11.1 and Android 10. Okay. As you guys knows, the official ROM MIUI 11 stable, it's out there for Mi 9T, but I prefer Xiaomi EU ROM for many reasons. If you guys follow my YouTube, I think you may know why I choose Xiaomi EU. It's still the best ROM you can get for Xiaomi devices. My opinion only. Okay, so I'm gonna change that to dark mode because I prefer, and it's AMOLED screen. I'm gonna save some battery. Okay, the new version doesn't have nothing really that I can find. Okay, it's only if you see here in what's new, you get some fixes only and nothing more, just optimizations and fixes. Okay, the ROM, it's still super fast, and with a great battery life. With under 10, I think we improved the battery. Okay, as you see here, I'm gonna see Netflix still with great quality. Okay, and still you can let me see if it's if I lose HDR. No, it's HDR still here. As I was saying, I'm gonna show you a new case for my Mi 9T. It's this one. It's a clean case, okay, but it fits well in the hand. It's very soft and looking beautiful. Okay, it's looking beautiful. It's almost the same as this one, the original in the case. Okay, but as you see, this one it's full, this one not, and I'm gonna try it for a bit. But it's a great case, and it protects the screen a little bit, not much, a little bit. So a tempered glass, it's always recommended. Okay, for the moment I'm gonna use my transparent case that I like more. And as you see, the wallpapers, the animation videos, it's working in wallpaper. The video is still the same, but I have a new thing to show you. It's this one. The Antutu score, it's this one. I've made after the update on my Mi 9T. It shows as K20 because of Xiaomi EU, but it's Mi 9T, and it a great result. But as I told you, this is a placebo effect. Why? Because if this phone improved, the other phones also improved. So the difference, it's the same, all right? But even so, it's a great result. Okay, all things are working here. As some guys are saying, they have pixelized image on some videos. Here, no, it's working fine, no problem at all. I'm gonna lower the light here. So no pixels, nothing here. On my Chrome, always working fine also. Okay, so I don't have any problems with my Mi 9T and Xiaomi EU. All right, no improvements, But if you wanna update the ROM. Okay, I hope you like the video. I'm waiting for MIUI 11 with Android 10 official to fast boot the ROM. I'm gonna show you how you do it to get back to stock on that video. Okay, so stay tuned. Press like on the video. I am Smokerman, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the like.